Byte.
A byte is the basic unit of digital storage. 1 byte equals 8 bits, and it can store a single character, such as a letter, number, or symbol. For example, the word hello uses 5 bytes. Every text message, image, or video is made from billions of bytes connected together. Even though a byte is small, it is the starting point of all digital information.
Kilobyte.
A kilobyte, written as KB, equals 1024 bytes. This is enough to hold about half a page of plain text or a very small image. Early computers and floppy disks worked within kilobytes, and software had to fit inside just a few KB. This shows how far storage technology has advanced. Today, even a single photo on your phone is larger than 100 kilobytes.
Megabyte.
A megabyte, or MB, equals 1024 kilobytes, which is roughly 1 million bytes. A typical phone photo is around 1 to 2 megabytes, and a 3-minute MP3 song is about 3 to 5 megabytes. In the 1990s, having 500 megabytes of storage felt huge. 1 megabyte can hold around 400 pages of plain text. Although MBs feel small today, they were once the main unit of computer storage.
Gigabyte.
A gigabyte, or GB, equals 1024 megabytes, or about 1 billion bytes. 1 gigabyte can store around 600 photos, 230 songs, or a 2-hour HD movie. In the early 2000s, a 20 gigabyte hard drive was considered large. Today, even basic smartphones start with 64 or 128 gigabytes because apps, videos, and games require more space. 1 gigabyte of plain text can hold about 1,000 large novels.
Terabyte.
A terabyte, or TB, equals 1,024 gigabytes, or 1 trillion bytes. With 1 terabyte, you can store around 250,000 songs, 500 hours of HD video, or millions of documents. Modern laptops, gaming consoles, and external hard drives often come with 1 or 2 terabytes of storage. Even cloud backup services now provide terabyte-level plans. To compare, the text collection of the Library of Congress is estimated at about 10 terabytes.
Petabyte.
A petabyte, or PB, equals 1,024 terabytes, or a quadrillion bytes. A single PB can store around 13 years of non-stop HD video, or 500 billion pages of text. Companies like Netflix manage petabytes of video for streaming. Large research centers, such as CERN, also store petabytes of scientific data. Normal consumers do not use PBs, but for big tech and data analysis, this unit is standard.
Exabyte.
An exabyte, or EB, equals 1,024 petabytes. In 2001, researchers estimated that the entire internet contained about 5 exabytes of data. Today, humanity creates more than that every month. 1 exabyte could hold hundreds of millions of DVDs or a trillion digital books. Storing an exabyte usually requires a full warehouse of servers.
Zettabyte.
A zettabyte, or ZB, equals 1,024 exabytes. Global internet traffic in 2020 alone reached around 4 zettabytes. This includes every streamed video, every email sent, and every uploaded photo. 1 zettabyte can hold billions of 4K movies. At this scale, data stops feeling like something personal and becomes something planetary.
Yottabytes.
A yottabyte, or YB, equals 1,024 zettabytes. It is the largest officially defined digital storage unit. No computer system in the world today can store a full yottabyte. A single YB could hold all the documents, photos, songs, and videos ever created in human history, with room left over. Scientists use the yottabyte as a way to model the future growth of global data. From the byte to the yottabyte, these units show how rapidly digital storage has expanded. The amounts that once felt extremely large, like megabytes or gigabytes, now feel small compared to the data we create every day. And it all begins with a single byte.